हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे कि सरफेस मेटल सरफेस मॉडलिंग कैसे की जाती है इन सॉलिड वर्क्स। ओके, सरफेस मॉडलिंग के थ्रू हम एक डिज़ाइन तैयार करेंगे, कार डोर। ठीक है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। यहाँ पे हमें कार डोर के डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लेंथ और डायमीटर्स वगैरह दी गई है। ठीक है, हम इसके थ्रू डोर डिज़ाइन करेंगे। लेट्स टेक न्यू फाइल एंड देन ओके। सबसे पहले हम सरफेस पे क्लिक करेंगे एंड देन फ्रंट प्लेन सेट करेंगे और स्केच करेंगे सेंटर लाइन। सॉरी, सेंटर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे। Okay, now let's draw this part. इस तरीके का हमने शेप ड्रॉ करना है। यहाँ पे इसकी लेंथ और रेडियस दी गई है, तो हम इसके थ्रू ये पोर्शन तैयार करेंगे डोर की। तो ड्रॉ करेंगे टेपर लाइन, ओके, लाइक दिस। यहाँ पे हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे 3 पॉइंट आर्क, बाहर की तरफ। ओके, और फिर से हम 3 पॉइंट आर्क लेंगे अंदर की तरफ और 3 पॉइंट आर्क लास्ट। ओके, दिस इज अवर ज्योमेट्रिकल डिज़ाइन। इसे हम डायमेंशनिंग करेंगे। डायमेंशनिंग करने के लिए हम बिटवीन दिस 2 पॉइंट्स लेंथ दी है हमें। लेंथ टोटल लेंथ दी है 544। सो 544 की हम लेंथ देंगे इसे 544। ओके, नाउ this length is about 178. Okay, and between these two lines, the angle between these two lines, we have 10 degree. Okay, now this length, this length, this length is 12 mm, and let's draw a center line between these two length. Okay, तो हम इसकी अब हम इसकी डायमेंशनिंग करेंगे और एंगल देंगे ये दोनों लाइनों के बीच की एंगल है 4 डिग्री। ओके, नाउ टोटल लेंथ between these 2 points we have 244.5. Okay, now between the distance between center line or this point we have 65. Okay, now the radius of this is 360, sorry, 320. Okay, and now again between these 2 points we have 20 mm distance, and between these 2 points uh, we have 50 mm distance. Now this angle is sorry, this radius is equal to 300. Okay, and this is also 300 radius like this. Okay, now make the relation between these points. We have tangent. Okay, now we can see our drawing is defined. Now go to the surface and extrude it up to 600 mm. Okay, up to 600 mm. So there is problem in, okay, 600 mm. Then no need to change any space. Okay, so let's click on OK. This is our outer surface of the door. Now choose the right plane and normal to it, and in this plane we have to sketch. Okay, we have to sketch this portion, the complete structure of the drawing. Okay, so door. So we draw this structure on the right plane. Okay, so let's start. Let's take a center line like this, and take a line. Take a line from here, center, and here. Okay, click on 3-point arc and make an arc like this, and click on a line like this. Okay, now again draw line. Okay, 3-point arc between these points. Okay, now define smart dimension. Before dimensioning we have to do center line. Okay, in a vertical position, and draw another center line at an angle 4.5 degree. So we assign here between these two center lines we have 4.5 degree angle. Okay, now define this length. This length is 240 mm, and then between these two lines we have angle 9 degree. Okay, between these two points here we have 50 mm distance, and this uh, this radius, this res- this radius equal to 500 mm. So 500 mm here. Now as we see that, now from point here to last point, and we have this length is 500. Okay, between these two lines we have 45 degree angle, and these two points we have length, sorry, between these two points, these two points we have okay, dimension this line and this point we have 270 and okay, now between these two points, okay, between these two points we have length uh, 360, okay, and the radius of these we have 1110 and okay. Now our sketch is fully defined. uh, Now take a fillet about 10 mm between these two edges, okay. Okay. Now again we take fillet about 130 mm between these two lines, okay, and again 42 mm and between these two lines. Now our sketch is ready. Now go to the surface and trim surface, and we see that our sketch is taken automatically. So we have to remove section. We remove section outer this plate. Okay. Now then okay. Here we see our door surface is ready. Now here we create a windows of our door. So let's take this and sketch. Okay. Sketch and offset the entity this 10 mm reverse side like this and okay. Now take line and draw line like this and this, okay. Again draw a line, this, make relation, okay. Now again take relation between this outer surface parallel, okay. Again control plus this outer surface and this were parallel. So this line is a vertical position or horizontal positions. So let's take dimensioning this between this point we have 165 or we can draw 168, okay, 168. And now between these two lines we have 30 mm and these two lines we have 38 mm. Now this line and this point we have between this line we have 340, okay. So 340 half of this sorry, 440, 270. Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's take this length. We have 280. Okay, now this is so far, so 180, 170. Okay. Let's take 170, 170, and between these two lines, sorry, between these two lines, make sure, okay, sorry, this, make sure that this is vertical position and this is also vertical position. Okay, now drag here and drag here. So let's take dimension between this line and this point. This line and this line and this point we have 190. Okay, and between these two is we have 10 mm distance. Okay, now to fillet about 15 mm between these two lines. Okay, now let's trim the entity. So trim entity, this, trim this and this. Okay, now again this. Here we see our diagram is not defined, so we click here and fully define sketch, and okay, then calculate all entities in sketch and calculate. Here we see the temporary defined sketch, defined distances and dimensions. So we simply, okay, and then we simply drag, keep visible this. Okay, okay, now go to the surface and trim entities. Trim entities, these, uh, remove the sections. We have to remove this inner section, so we see that our window is ready. Now again we draw normal, again normal. Okay, now sketch, let's sketch it, and convert entities like these edges. Okay, these edges, not face these edges, and convert this. Now our sketch is converted, and go to the surface and extrude up to 6 mm and 6 mm and cap end. Here we see the cap end. Now click OK. Here we see some. Okay. Now let's fillet it 3 mm. Okay. Now then okay. Again we choose this and this face and fillet about 3 mm and okay. Now we see there. Again we choose this and sketch and convert entities. Okay, our inner surface has to be converted. No, now go to the surface and trim again these surfaces. Okay, now our drawing is ready. Make some fillet in the edges of these, not a face. Take edge. Okay, and we take again fillet this edge about 42. Okay, and we see our drawing is ready. Now assign some appearance, sheet steels and double click it and apply steel metal. Now apply some color like this. Okay, this is all clear. Now give the thickness of this surface. To give thickness, we have to knit surface. We have to do knit. So click in knit surface and select this surface and these three surfaces and knit it. Okay. Now click on the thickness and give thickness to 1 mm. Okay, here we see. Okay, 1 mm thickness. Now here we see the thickness of this surface. Okay, our door is ready. Thank you.